Good day everyone. I am Brian Sensikaran and my topic for today in chapter 12 is disaster mitigation, natural hazard assessment, natural hazard prediction, and also emergency preparedness. So what is disaster mitigation? An accurate and timely prediction of hazardous events saves human lives but does little to reduce economic losses or social disruption. This can only be accomplished by measures taken in advance. Include in the concept of disaster mitigation is the basic assumption that the impact of disaster can be avoided or reduced when they have been anticipated during development planning. Mitigation of disaster usually initial reducing the vulnerability of the element's risk, modifying the hazard prones of the site or changing its function. Planning and zoning, floodplain protection, property acquisition and relocation or public outreach project. Example of preparedness action are installing disaster warning system, purchasing radio communication equipment, or conducting emergency response training. Like flood. To avoid it, you need to be aware about your surrounding. Like if you are area palaging bumawa, ay dapat aware ka para if umulan ng malakas, you know what are you going to do and to keep safe and away from the flood area. Is natural hazard assessment. Informed from the analysis of an area's hazard and vulnerability to them is integrated in an analysis of risks, which is an estimate of the probability of expected loss for a given hazardous event. Formal analyses are time-consuming and costly, but available shortcut methods can give adequate result for project evaluation. One takes or assisted planners have the basis for incorporating mitigation measures into the design of investment projects and for comparing project versus no project cost and benefits. To prevent it, so the first steps to preventing potential natural disaster is reducing pollutant emissions, avoid using electronic stuff or mga gamit na naay kuryente like TV or refrigerator. Also para safety ta sa natural hazard and keep away sa mga lugar na duol ug landslide because it necessary to make state more resilient by looking forward and preparing to deal with climate related risks. From adopting conservation and restoration measure to improving infrastructure is natural hazard prediction. The natural hazard prediction. The prediction of a natural event is a direct outcome of scientific investigation into a cause, and it's aimed at establishing the probability of the next occurrence in the terms of time, place, and range of severity. To predict disasters, some natural disaster can be forecasted based on past scientific data. Scientists look for patterns in data to determine where and when natural disaster are moabot or unsa kakusog ang impact ani ug asa na lugar mo igo. Like tornadoes, other disaster ay hindi pa malalaman kung kailan tatama or dadating like earthquakes are not yet predictable. Last is emergency preparedness. Emergency preparedness. Some of them also emphasize that the two levels of preparedness can be identified: public safety information and hazard awareness planning. The first includes a number of efforts aimed at increasing the amount of information disseminated to the public and promoting cooperation between the public and the authorities in case of an emergency. Public safety information is the prevention of and protection from events that could endanger the safety and security of the public people from significant danger, injury, or property damage. Like if the area may go og bagyo tungod sa public safety information, people knows what they going to do and where they go if their area is dangerous. Awareness planning reduce loss of life and property by minimizing the impact of disaster. It begins with state, tribal, and local governments identifying natural disaster risks and vulnerabilities that are common in their area, like in Matiwata. If those people died way back February, pag naminaw lang sila sa government na muhawa na dito na area, they didn't die because the government aware them to relocate because of the dangerous area. So, giplanuhan na sila na muhawa dito that is the example of hazard awareness planning. That's all my topic. Thank you po.